Today it's a very special day because I fell with the KuKirin G4 and the KuKirin G4 is kinda kaput, you know. Also I am a bit kaput, as you can see we have a bit of damage here. But that it's still not gonna stop me from riding e-scooters. And since I have a perfectly working KuKirin G4 battery, I told myself why shouldn't I put it in the KuKirin G2 Master? So we're gonna do just that. We're gonna be installing the KuKirin G4 battery in the KuKirin G2 Master. We also have the cameraman right here who's gonna help us with this entire project. And yeah, first we have to go and take the KuKirin G4 battery out.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard, right?
I cannot believe how bad KuKirin has designed this piece of shit. Look at this, bro.
Look at this.
Look at this. Yeah, so the G4 is pretty much cooked, as you can see. Here, as you can see, kaput.
Oh, and accelerator.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, so after a lot of work, we finally got this battery out. And now it's time to unscrew the G2 Master deck and install the G4 battery. Hopefully my controller doesn't blow up because I'm quite a bit scared about that. There's one very important thing we need to do, and that is to change the voltage in the display. So we go to P2 and we set it to 60. And now...
That's it.
Come on, so now we have to
Get the battery out.
get the battery out.
Alright.
Bro.
That was... Yeah, that was just plug and play.
Okay, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit?
No.
Peak engineering. So all that work for nothing?
Well, but we should connect it anyways.
Yeah,
just to
we
see
can
how
try though.
fast it goes.
Yeah, come on.
3, 2, 1, connect.
Well, that was plug and play. Didn't expect that.
67 volts! 90 kilometers an hour!
Holy shit! It's how much? 89!
89.
Just hear the motor sound. Come on, throttle it again. It's literally overcharged. It's literally overcharged.
Installing the G4 battery in the G2 Master was a failure, unfortunately, because the battery does not fit. I don't know how joyonwheels did it, I don't know what black magic he used, but yeah, the G4 battery simply cannot fit in the G2 Master body. So we're gonna accept defeat and put the G2 Master battery back. But we're gonna go and get Christmas lights.
Yeah, now it fits. Come on. Now get the screws in.
Yeah, now we need to screw everything back. We're at the car wash right now, and this guy doesn't know how to pay. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Come on, you got the...
I hate machines.
Okay, so now
We've got
we are going to clean this.
We've got the jeton.
Awesome.
We've got
I ain't
the jeton.
risking my G2 Master, honestly.
Guess what? Oh my god! That's too much pressure. Wait, let me see. So my father, I think he fixed the scooter.
It was just violence.
Kind of. Now we're going to Promenada.
Yeah, which is on the other side of the city, by the way. Bro, look at this traffic. Come on, squeeze Benz, come on. Throw the bus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what is the bus doing, bro? Bro, this is... Wow, okay, this is wild, bro.
Was it that bad?
Bro, I hope... Yeah, okay, I was filming. You're gonna see, it was horrible.
I did something
I legit
wrong.
thought you were gonna be squished by the bus.
And if you pull down the visor, you're done.
Yeah, if I pull down the visor, I cannot see. I'm going blindly.
You're navigating with your brain.
Exactly.
You're not inside your brain.
Exactly. Bro, I cannot see anything.
Look at how eerie that looks.
Look how nice that looks, bro. It looks like cyberpunk.
Cyberpunk.
Yeah.
No. Wait. Priority.
I cannot see anything with this helmet.
Come on, no.
Go. Oh, we are really pushing our luck here, especially after we fell.
Yeah, bro. Well, only like 1 week ago.
Yeah,
Imagine
and we're already speeding through cars.
like nothing ever happened.
Yeah, we have to be really careful.
Nah, we won't.
That's because we
Where
have
is this
to
guy
see-
going in front?
Remember that.
Where is this guy hurrying?
Huh?
Where is this guy going? It's a red
So we
light.
cannot go in front of him.
You say so?
Yeah.
I think we should overtake him.
No. I'm okay. You know why there is so much traffic?
Why?
It's Friday, biggest Christmas market in Europe, coolest Christmas market in Europe, massive, in the center of our city right now. And we
Yeah,
pass next to
that
the center
kind of.
our
Come on, it's green light. Yeah, that makes sense though. Did that guy just honk at you?
Yeah.
Fucking idiot. Look how he's driving, bro. That guy's crazy.
He's a madman, right?
Bro, I was driving like a madman. I got
Yeah,
67.
that's what I told you.
I got 67 kilometers an hour.
That's what I told them. I don't think I ever had a video on this channel with this much traffic.
Yeah, bro. Look, everyone is stuck. Like everyone is stuck here. Wait, that's actually smart, bro.
The Porsche is using the tram line.
Yeah, the Porsche identifies as a tram. We have to go left.
Left?
Yeah, because we have to go on the bridge.
Wait, it's kind of complicated as you can see.
Come on, bro. Nah, we cannot do it.
Come after me.
Okay.
The classic e-scooter move.
Of course.
The 10th time I make a comment about the fog, but it's just epic.
Yeah,
Look at
it
even the Dedeman sign how it looks.
it has so much aura.
Dog with the Bob the builder hat.
Yeah, come on, park.
Right? You move the whole parking.
Oopsie. Bro, my chain is frozen.
No way. Wait.
Look.
Oh. Actually frozen.
So, do you think we're allowed to film here?
I don't know, I don't care. I'm holding it
Look,
like a phone.
the lights, come on. Okay, 6 meters, that's better.
Okay, that's, yeah, it's better.
Come on. You also need batteries.
True. Where do you
Wait,
get
what
batteries?
type of batteries do you need? That's the question. Here. These are, how much? It's 650.
It's okay, manageable.
Come on, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Put them in the basket.
In the basket. Go. Come on, G2 Master. Come on, G2 Master. Push. Okay, and it's a red light again.
It was a really bad day for filming.
Bro,
These
it's
are
the
not
worst
easy.
day for filming like that.
These are not good conditions for me filming with an e-scooter.
Definitely, and my hands are frozen. My scooter, look at this, bro. My scooter is frozen. Robot, how much does this red light take? Come on, are you ready?
3 cents.
Are you ready?
Mentally no. Physically, kind of.
Come on. Okay, so we have to speed run again, going like half the city. So yeah, that's not gonna be that fun, honestly. And I lost ES apparently. Hopefully he didn't fall. The scooter, the battery in the scooter, kaput, frozen. Oh my god.
Even worse.
Oh my god, I cannot see anything.
Yep, it works. Right. You give me the power bank to charge my camera.
Okay,
I'll put the Christmas lights right here on the sidewalk.
okay,
And you go do your side quest. And
Oh,
then
okay.
we'll meet up again.
okay, perfect. I see you already did the lights. My side quest is completed.
It's time to do your lights.
It's time to do my lights also. So come on, let's get to work.
Alright.
People are already starting to look at us. So the first part is complete. ES hasn't completed his
Can you
first
help me
part.
untangle these? Please?
I cannot. Now we're gonna see if we have a Christmas mode. Yes, I do have a Christmas mode. Look at this. Both the scooters are, as you can see, completed. I have the festive lights, the Christmas lights over here, and ES just has a mess of of wires right here. Right, ES?
Yes.
Fuck. I don't have my glove on. I don't have my glove on. Come on. I need to. My glove, bro!
Come on.
I don't have it! Oh my god! You realize that that is the point of no return.
Yep. We're gonna go straight in front.
Oh, that was cool,
The
yeah.
kids love it.
The kids love it.
Always. Come, it's a vibe.
Yeah,
And all these decorations. It's worth the money. Even though we're not gonna pay our bills 3 months from now on. We're not gonna get people.
bro, people are actually looking at us. Okay, yeah, okay, I get you. It looks pretty impressive.
It's better than Vienna.
Oh, hold it right there, buddy. Hold it right there. Okay, come on. Let's calm down a bit. It's not better than Vienna. Wait, I have to clean my visor, bro.
Use your gripper. So, I think that's the end for today. It's kinda late, but we're freezing to death.
There was a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work. But at the end of the day, if people smiled when they saw the scooter, it was 100% worth it.
Oh, how wholesome. He's definitely not doing this to get more money.
He's lying.
So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked our lights. And see you next time.